Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to sell PiCoin from Pi Network. Firstly, launch the Pi browser app and navigate to the Pi wallet. Unlock your wallet by entering your passphrase. Tap on Pay, Request, and select Manually Add Wallet Address to input the address where you'll send your Pi. Open an account or a supporting crypto exchange like BitGet or OKX. After logging in, go to Deposit section, search for PiCoin, and copy the deposit address shown. Now paste the copied deposit address into your Pi wallet, enter the amount of Pi you want to transfer, then confirm and initiate the transfer. Once processed, your PiCoins will appear in your exchange wallet. From there, you can trade Pi for USDT, BTC, or any other supported crypto, or you can sell them using P2P. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.